Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our next lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned computer fundamentals, and in this lesson we will learn about introduction to Windows 7. Dear students, as you know, a computer cannot work on its own. It needs instruction for doing tasks. The set of the instructions is called software. An operating system is the most important software that makes the computer system to operate. It makes the computer to understand the commands given by you. It carries out all the important tasks of the computer, such as managing the working of different input-output devices attached to the computer, detecting and correcting hardware and software errors, executing a program, and so on. Microsoft Disk Operating System, MS-DOS, Microsoft Windows, Apple Macintosh, IMB OS/2, Unix, and Linux are examples of operating systems. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. It is a graphical user interface GUI based operating system, which means it provides menus, icons, buttons, dialog box, etc. to interact with the computer easily. The first Windows operating system, known as Microsoft Windows 1.0, came in the market in 1985. This chapter discusses Windows 7 operating system. Windows 7. Windows 7 was released by Microsoft in 2009 to be used on home and business desktops and laptops. Windows 7 has introduced a new way to work in Windows environment. It provides enhanced user interface, making it more user-friendly, improved performance to get the tasks done efficiently, new level of security to protect precious data from unauthorized access, and so on. Microsoft has released Windows 7 in 6 different editions, namely Windows 7 Starter, Windows 7 Home Basic, Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Enterprise, and Windows 7 Ultimate. In this chapter, we will discuss Windows 7 Professional. So dear students, in this video, we have learned about some basic information of Windows 7. In next video, we will learn more about Windows 7. So watch the video carefully.